How to see blocked list on Facebook. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen, which will lead you to this page. In here, click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, simply scroll down and you'll find blocking option. After you find blocking, simply click on blocking. In here, you will find all your blocked list of Facebook. You can click on the unblock option beside their username and unblock them as well from here. And this is how to see blocked list on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.